Hello my friends, welcome back to Keto and the Chaos. My name is Tammy, and on this channel you'll find all my tips and tricks for how you can lose weight eating ketogenically. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Hey everyone, today you're in for a real treat. I have finally perfected one of my chaffle recipes to the point where I feel like I can share it. So today I'm going to show you how to make blueberry cinnamon chaffles. It's now my favorite type of chaffle to have for my first meal of the day. Let's get started. Okay, so for this recipe, you're going to need 2 large eggs, some mozzarella cheese, or the cheese of your choice. I like mozzarella because it's really low in fat and it has a really mild flavor, so it doesn't really interfere with the flavor of the blueberries. Some fresh blueberries, and then a sweetener of your choice. I like to use stevia. This is its blended version, but any kind of liquid stevia, and some sugar-free syrup to give it that breakfasty taste. Also some vanilla, cinnamon, and some sea salt. And that's going to be everything that you're going to need to make blueberry chaffles. So first thing you do, crack your 2 eggs into a bowl and whisk it up. You're going to add your salt to taste. I just put a few shakes. I mean, because this is a sweet chaffle, I just use a little bit of salt. Tastes good. Okay, and I'm going to use a squirt of stevia. And I don't really measure this, but I think it's about 1.5 tablespoons of sugar-free syrup. I just kind of do that. It's up to you. It's your flavor. It's up to you what you want to put in. Obviously, I should probably weigh that. It's like a carb. Ends up being about a carb per tablespoon, so I usually count about two carbs for that. And then some vanilla, about 1/2 capful. And then a little shake of cinnamon. I'm guessing it's probably about 1/2 teaspoon. Like I said, I don't really measure it, but I probably should. Using about 20 grams of blueberries, but you can use the amount of blueberries of your choice, of course. Just gonna see how many I have. Oh, 17, no, 21, right, perfect. That'll work, and that's the end of my blueberries. I need 2 ounces of mozzarella cheese, which is about 56 grams. Well, it's exactly 56 grams, actually, not about. I'm pretty good at. Let's see. Oh, what? I got overestimated there. Man, I was really overzealous there for a sec. Oh, heaven's sake. There we go. Okay. My mini dash heated up. It's nice and hot. And then what I am going to do is I'm going to put basically 1/2 ounce for each chaffle, and I'm going to make 4 chaffles out of this recipe. So we reset that, and I'm going to put about 6 or 7 grams of cheese, which I do by negativing the thing here in the bottom of the chaffle maker. Okay, and then I take my eggs. I like this bowl because it has a little spout, and I pour in just enough that it doesn't go into the outer edge. It just kind of fills up and doesn't quite cover the holes, like some of the holes still kind of show. That looks like about right. Okay, and then I take another till I get about 13 or 14 grams total, and put it on the top. Oh, I forgot the blueberries. Oh shoot. Okay, sorry guys. Blueberries first. I do 5 grams of blueberries. I totally forgot. Now I don't know how much cheese I put on. Oh man, see, this is why I don't make videos. Put the blueberries on. Dun, dun, dun. Blueberries. Then I put the cheese on. I don't know how much cheese I used. Now I feel not very smart, but I'm just gonna guess. There we go. Hopefully that's enough. And they're gonna cook it for 3 minutes. Bing. Alrighty, looking good. Just use a fork to kind of pop it out and then put it on a cooling rack. Rinse and repeat until you've made 4 chaffles. That matters. Ooh. Maybe a little bit too much. And then the cheese. Just kind of doing mental math as I do this. Okay, and the last thing that I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna add a little of this on top because it tastes good. I'm not gonna measure it because it's basically 0 carbs anyways. Just gonna put on how much I want. And then I'm just gonna serve that up with some yogurt with a lemonade Mio water enhancer in it. And that's gonna be my meal. Isn't that cute? It looks delicious. I can't wait to eat it. Thanks for watching this recipe, you guys. I hope that you enjoyed making blueberry cinnamon chaffles. I hope that you get to try it. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. If it's good or not, I can't promise that it's good. Like I said, cooking is not my jam. I decided I would share this one because I love it. And I hope you loved it too. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe if you're new here. We'll talk to you all again soon.